welcome back to my channel. This is Sahi. In this video I came up with my honest review on, well, I can say sharing of my experience using the Rosehip face oil from the wellness shop. I have been using this Rosehip face oil from like fortnightly or more, and this is the right time for me to share my experience. In fact, it's an honest experience. Yes, it's an honest experience. Firstly, what is this Rosehip oil and why do you need it? Rosehip oil is one of the face oils with great many medicinal usages that are dated back to ancient times and enlisted in Iceland's mythology that dates back to Vikings. Yes. And coming to why do you need to use it and why I have chosen this rosehip oil, let me tell you. Rosehip oil is good in producing skin collagen naturally, and it also helps in helps against the sun damage caused to your skin, and it protects your skin from sun damage actually, and also it has anti-aging. Yeah, it has anti-aging properties. So yeah, it has anti-aging properties. And coming to why I have chosen the wellness shop, let me tell you the facts. All the products of the wellness shop has the best nutrients and minerals and free from harmful ingredients like sulfates, parabens and GMO. So all these products are pure, in fact the purest products, and they are good for your skin. They are really suitable for all skin types, and the ingredients are sourced from the best and contains high minerals and nutrients, and it comes in this glass jar rather than the plastic, which isn't good at all. And I have chosen this because my skin changes mostly with the water, climate and different things, different ways. And I forgot to tell you that I'm using this for hyperpigmentation, and I have seen quite a few results as I'm using it for fortnightly, and the result is good, not miraculously change or something like that, but I've seen it's good. It is good for my skin. Well, coming to the packing, you can see it comes in the carton box and the glass container, and this is how it looks inside. And yeah, well, now coming to how to use this. So the rosy face oils will be used like the face oils, and you have to use 2 to 3 drops for both your face as well as neck, and you need to apply it directly, or you can use it to carrier oil, use it vitamin C serum, and you have to absorb. You can put on your lips. I just put on lips, face as well as neck, and you massage it. That's how you do it. Well, now coming to the question, do you need to use this for your skin? Obviously you need it for your skin if you want your skin to be well moistured, and if you want your skin to be anti-aging, if you want to protect your skin from sun damage, moisture, as I already told you, and for hyperpigmentation, it boosts the collagen, right? So you have to use this. You should own this. So I suggest you to go ahead and get your product. I'll be leaving the links down below in the description box for you to check out, so do click the link and get yours right now. Well, if you have any questions or queries, do let me know through comments, and I'll be seeing the next video. Till then, adios.